Wednesday.
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 Good morning, Pedro. This is your weatherman, Hot Man. What in the world was that? Oh. Well, anyways, today it is going to be 73. Well, anyways, today it is going to be 73. And there is going to be no rain.
I love your weather segments, Hot Man.
Thank you. Shout out to Eli Smith. He's a good guy. And tomorrow, I'm expecting no rain as well. It is supposed to be a high of 63. Friday, it is supposed to be in the 70s. I finally got my merch. Look at this beautiful merch, people. You need to buy this. Oh, and here's the back. Well, I'm Hot Man the Weatherman, and I'll see you later. Back to you in the studio.
And thank you, Hot Man.
Our sophomores will be continuing their great career assessments today in English class.
That's right. And our FCCLA seniors will be going to their state competition today. They will be back on Friday evening. That's this guy.
You know, if we get first or second in the state, we go to nationals this summer. And me and Isaac Phillips. This Monday we have our last blood drive of the school year. Please see Landon Rose to schedule your donation.
This coming Monday is also the beginning of our final enrichment session for the school year.
And of our lives.
And yeah.
The week of May 6th is senior final exam week. Good luck on those.
The week of May 6th is also the National Teacher Appreciation Week. Here at GMP, we are working hard on a special segment in honor of this important event.
Yeah, I want to let you guys know the amount of time and effort we put into this is a lot. We started doing this, getting interviews probably back in February.
We did this a long time ago.
So you better love this. Our annual Powder Puff football game will be held on Thursday, May 9th.
That's right. And on the following Friday, May 10th, we have our group yearbook photo day and the deadline for senior grades.
Wednesday, May 15th is a big day for seniors. We've got the senior breakfast, the senior lunch, the senior walk, and graduation practice.
Board policy requires that you attend graduation practice and make sure you're here that day. So if you're a senior and you want to walk and get your diploma,
If you want to graduate,
you got to be here to practice.
Friday, May 17th is awards day. That is the last day, the very last day of school for us seniors.
Yep. And Sunday, guys, May 19th, is graduation day. The ceremony will be held in the gymnasium at 2 p.m.
And teachers, remember that your end of the year paperwork is due to Angie on Monday, May 20th. There will also be a BLT meeting the following Tuesday during 7th period.
You know what BLT stands for?
I don't know, you tell me.
Bacon, lettuce, tomato.
Fact.
That's right. And Friday, May 24th is the last day of school for underclassmen. So that means you're Eli Smith and you're underclassmen.
But he won't be next year, though.
He won't be. He'll be top dog.
He will be,
He'll be
a senior.
He'll be the cream of the crop.
He will be the cream of the crop.
He'll be the tall tower, and
He'll be I won't even say it. And finally, congratulations, everyone. We have finally finished our state testing for the school year.
Go Hell.
Go Hell, baby. Let's go. In case I don't see you guys, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
And good morning. This is Good Morning Pedro with me and Gavin Wisman and Eli Smith. And stay classy, Rock Hill High School.